we're taking a look at our medium to heavy duty bucket elevator display, and we make every piece of componentry on the bucket elevator for a complete powertrain solution. We make everything from the segmental traction wheel to the Rex roller bearings, the Marlin backstop here, the Rex Pro engineered steel chain, which is faster, safer, and easier for installation, the buckets themselves, and the Bauer gear motor over there. Well, when it comes to bucket elevators especially, Regal Rexnord has a really long history of being an original OEM manufacturer of bucket elevators. So we have the history of every cement and aggregate site that has ever bought our equipment. So if there's a problem with your bucket elevator, we've got the complete history of all of the components that were part of that bucket elevator, and we can troubleshoot the complete system and not just an individual part. If a site needs assistance with field service, we have business development managers and application engineers that are happy to go on site, take a look at the equipment and see, how long you have on wear life parts, what the ideal replacement would be, and just do a general site survey so that they know for the future what they need to do for their equipment. We also have a great solution in perceptive monitoring, which can monitor for vibration, temperature, and just general unscheduled downtime. So if there's a problem, we can proactively prevent that with our solution monitoring with Perceptive. Yeah, the most critical wear part component in a bucket elevator is the chain itself. And we actively stock most sizes of our most common chains at our centrally located warehouse in Indiana. We have product available to quick ship if a customer has a down situation and need product quickly.